Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to update Krita. If you want to update Krita, the process is actually simple, and you don't need to uninstall anything first. According to community guidance and official recommendations, the safest way to update is to go directly to the official Krita website. Download the latest version for your operating system and run the installer over your existing version. This keeps your setup intact and avoids unnecessary file loss. Now here's the important part. Your custom brushes and workspaces will remain after updating. However, if you're upgrading across major versions like from version 4 to version 5, custom brush tags may reset due to internal changes in how brushes are stored. The brushes themselves won't be deleted, just the tags. Before updating, it's still smart to back up your resources. But for most users, simply installing the new version over the old one works fine. If you downloaded Krita from platforms like Steam, you don't have to worry about anything because Steam will automatically update the software. And that's about it on how to update Krita. Thanks for watching.